Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in. Hey, I just wanted to share the single page layout or the calendar page that I made with the September 2021 Kiwi Club Kit called Wild Soul. I know this kit has been around for a little bit, but it is really one of my favorites of the ones that have come out lately. So just a reminder, here's the paper palette that was included in this kit. And then it had these adorable templates that are kind of a forest feel. So let me show you what I did, and then I'll share the different templates I used just in case you feel inspired to create your own. So here's the page that I did. Again, for mine it's a calendar, but that does not mean that's how it needs to work for you. So I got a lot of this idea straight out of the idea book that they publish every month. So don't ever skip looking at those. They're always a great place to get inspiration. And I always link them right in the description of my video. So you can find them really easily. So this particular template was from Large Brackets. This is Large Bracket 3. So that one I used right on the bottom. And then for this piece, I used Abbie Rd 1A. And I'll show you what I did with the other side of that in just a moment. Okay, so I've got the Abbie Rd 1A. This is just a piece of shimmer trim from Close to My Heart. I can put that link in my description as well, just in case you're interested. I have a couple of friends that are Close to My Heart representatives. The tree here, I used Autumn 6, okay, and I just kind of popped it up a little bit, you'll see off the bottom, because I wanted it a little bit taller just to balance everything out. Included in this month's kit was a set called Toadstool. So this is Toadstool 6. And it fit really well over this really darling sentiment card that says, "Take only memories, leave only footprints." And we get out and hike quite a bit, so I know I'll have some fun pictures for this, or even anything fall would work really well. I used Toadstool 7 to make this mushroom. It's all one piece. I just cut the different pieces. The different little sections of it with different paper. So I did the base with one color, and then the top of the mushroom with the other, and then the little section here. So I just kind of liked the idea of the multicolored. And then we get to this little hedgehog fellow. And this hedgehog fellow, I don't know, there's something about this guy's eyes and nose that aren't working for me. I don't know what it is, but I ended up just kind of pointing his nose down a little bit, and I tried to make him look a little bit more like the hedgehog that's on the paper that came with the kit. So I'm a little bit happier with that. He is really, really cute, and boy, are hedgehogs hot right now. So you decide how you want to do it, if you want to do it, but it made me a little happier to point his little nose down. All right, so that's that part of the layout. I'm going to scooch these off because hopefully you've had a chance to make note of them if you want to recreate this. And then there's the lower part of the calendar. So I took what was left from that Abbie Rd 1A. So here's Abbie Rd 1B. I did not use a ton of it. These months are pre-printed on this Close to My Heart calendar, so I really just want something that'll fit right underneath that month. So you can see I did not cut all of this. I left probably 1 inch to 1.25 inches off. Okay. this little guy was also included in the templates for this month. This is Toadstool 3. So look at how stinking cute this is. I just cut the pieces with different colors of paper, and then I used stickles to do the little dots, and that carried that kind of shimmery feel from the top down here. Okay, and then these two are different templates. They did not come with this month's kit. This is Autumn 2, so another one featured from that autumn set. So the acorn just worked really well. I didn't cut the cap separately because I was using it for a sentiment. It says, "It's a magical world, let's go explore." And then I used this little oak leaf from Tiny Seasons. This is Tiny Seasons 3T. And it worked really well on here as well. So I'll see if I can kind of open it up so you can get a full view. And then I always will include photos at the end that might make it a little bit easier to see. But here we go. And I'll just give it a slow slide so you can get a feel for what the whole thing looks like. Okay. So again, really excited about this particular kit. I will do a layout with it eventually, and I'll share that when I do, but life is busy. My job is very demanding right now, so I have not had as much time to make those kind of videos, but I'm trying to at least squeeze in the calendars. So hopefully this is helpful to you. I do appreciate you taking some time to stop by and say hi on the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and hopefully I will get to see you again soon. Thanks again for stopping by. Bye-bye.